Welcome to tutorial info. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn offline mode on or off on the Minimworld Kreata game. To turn offline mode on, once you're in the app you can go into settings. Here under others you can look for offline mode right here and turn it on, and then confirm, which will enter offline mode for you. Of course you can exit it by tapping on this X and then tapping confirm. Just make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi when you're doing that, and it's going to restart the game. Another way to enter offline mode is in this menu, at the start menu. You can tap offline mode right here to, of course, enter offline mode. And again, you can exit it in just the same way as before. Although when you enter it from that menu, your avatar will not be fully loaded in, because it won't be downloading your avatar. So you can exit, and it's going to restart again. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.